Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see my pulled pork recipe, then stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my pork shoulder and I'm going to start poking little holes inside of it and sticking my finger inside the hole to make it deeper and start putting minced garlic all in there, and we're just gonna repeat this process all over the pork shoulder. So now I'm gonna add the rest of the minced garlic. I used half of it to stuff inside the pork shoulder, and now I'm gonna add the rest of it. Now I'm gonna add the Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna put one on one side and one on the other side. And now I'm going to add the seasoning that I mixed all over, and I'm just going to sprinkle it across. Sprinkle it all around and pat it all over the pernil. So now you can see that the pernil is all seasoned up. I'm going to add the Dr. Pepper. And the market did not have any 2 liters, so I just used 2 20-ounce bottles of Dr. Pepper. So now that you're done pouring your Dr. Pepper, you want to make sure that you add some water just to dilute it a little bit, and to make sure that your pork shoulder is covered, because when you're cooking it in the slow cooker, you want to make sure that it is covered and all of it is getting cooked. So now I'm going to turn on the crock pot on the setting high. So what I'm doing, I'm just shredding the pork now, and it's really easy. It's just falling apart, and when you cook it for a long time, that's what you want. You just want it to fall apart. As you can see, I already removed the bones. My pork is all shredded. What I like to do is I like to go make sure that there's no fatty pieces inside of it. Like shredded, I did miss a fatty piece, so I go in there with my fingers and I take the fat out, and it's all shredded, as you can see. Open this up, and put it in there. You don't have to do this. This is optional. I just like the Dr. Pepper flavor to really be in there. Barbecue sauce up. And I'm just gonna put it in here like so and mix it all around. As you know, the 20-ounce bottles, the caps are very, very little. I just put a little cap full. I barely used any soda, and that's it. So now this is optional, this next part, but this is what I like to do. So hopefully you guys like it too. I like to add a sriracha mayo. It's so good. And I actually got this from Sketchburger. One day me and my boyfriend were eating at Sketchburger, and they had the Dr. Pepper pulled pork sandwich, and I was like, I can recreate that, and I did. So this is how I do my Dr. Pepper pulled pork, and if you want, stay tuned for the sriracha aioli. So 1/4 cup of mayo, and it's not even honestly packed in there, as you can see. One-4 teaspoon of the garlic salt, and tablespoon add in a dash of smoked paprika. perfect. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have any suggestions for any future videos, then just comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.